Joe from MJT Web Designs. This video is going to describe how our sliders work in all of our WordPress sites. Now these are obviously all specifically designed for each client, but this is the basic concept of our sliders. We may have done specific things for your template, so this may be slightly different, but the basic concept is how all of our sliders work in all of our WordPress sites. So all I've done to start off is log into my WP admin. So I've logged into my website. Everything we do on all of our videos is all on our test site. We don't do anything live. So whatever your URL is, /WP admin and log in takes you to your dashboard as normal. So on the left you've got a link called sliders. If you click onto sliders, that will show you all of the image sliders that you've currently made. Normally there'll be a home page slider, so if we click on the home page slider, that'll take you in to show you the images that are being used for that slider already. So on slide 1 I've got this image reference, which obviously I can change. On this template I've added a description, so I can change the description. This is slide 2 with a description 3, description 4, etc. So this is my home page slider, and this is the slider as it is in the website in this example. So if I wanted to add, for example, another image to this slider, at the bottom if I click add another entry, it gives me slide 5, and I can add or upload more images. So if I upload another image, and use that. At this point WordPress will create its own image sizes, so on upload into this directory, whatever we've told it to do as part of the theme, so to create thumbnails for somewhere else in the website, but to create a specific size image and to also crop it how it needs to crop it, we can tell it what to do, and we can give it another description there. If you update, refresh your site, that now appears in your slider in the order that you specified. So that's my image 5. I can at this point decide, okay, I want that as slide 1. So if I scroll back down, at the bottom of every slide there's an up and down arrow. So if you click the little up arrow, that would have taken slide 5 to slide 4. So again, up again, and again, and again. And there is now slide 1. Update. Again, refresh. And there's now that image is a slide 1. That's obviously assuming it's your home page slider, but it doesn't have to be. You can make as many sliders as you want. So at the top, if I click add new, this is going on a page, and I'm just going to add a couple of images to it. So if I go to image 1, upload, I'm going to just use that image again just for the example. I'm not going to put descriptions on this because I don't want them to appear on my page. Click add another entry to add slide 2, and I'm just going to upload those other 2 images. Okay, there they are. So if I click use this file, add another one, and I use it. 3 images, that'll do. If I publish that slider and then click back onto sliders on the left, what that does is gives me a shortcode which I can copy and I can use on any page I want. So if I want to copy that onto my About Us page, if I highlight the whole of that shortcode and copy, go onto my pages, I want it at the top of my About Us page, into my editor, and if I enter, and then right click and paste. That pastes that slider shortcode with that's just the unique ID for that slider. If I update that page, go back to my site and have a look at my About Us page, that slider now appears at the top inside the page. Just like that. All your sliders will always appear here, and obviously you can edit and update as you require. One last note on those sliders: if we've amended your theme to include a slider on the home page, what we will have done is built into our theme options a home page slider, and all that is doing is saying which slider I want to appear on the home page, but you can change that if you want to. We're going to talk about theme options in another video. I'm going to sign off for now. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.